everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we are just going to unbox this Pisen travel charger with power bank. So without wasting any time, let's just start the video. It already comes with the Type-C output, 2 USB dual output and 5000 mAh battery backup power bank inside. The model number of this one is the Power Combo AC5000. The packaging wise it's really look good. Now let's do the unboxing. So this is the contents: the power bank, UK plug, US plug. So this is the interchange plugs, you can change directly in this socket. This is already comes with the one plug which is built in inside. You can directly connect with the power. Already comes with the two USB ports. One is the 1.5 ampere and another one is a 2.1 ampere, and comes with the 1.5 ampere Type-C connection. But so let's see, it comes with any Type-C cable. This is a manual. So this is already comes with the Type-C cable, as you guys can see. You can directly connect this Type-C cable in this connection and you can use. Most of the time we are using the travel chargers, but this model is quite good because they have a one feature called power bank inside. So once you connect this one with the power, you can charge your smartphones directly with this. But if you are traveling and you don't have a power or anything, this charger already comes with an inbuilt battery, so it will automatically charge the power bank of this one as well. So first we just connect this one with the power and let's see the result of this one. So we will just directly connect this one with the extension. If you want to use any other plug with this one, right now in UAE we are using the 3 plug. So like this, you can connect, do the connection here, connect the cables as well. I will just connect this one with the micro USB cable, and another one I will use the iPhone. So let's connect the smartphones with this. So I'm just going to connect one iPhone and one Android smartphone because I don't have any new smartphone which comes with a Type-C. So we will just use this one. Okay, it's charging. This one also, it's a start charging. So as you guys can see, this model already charging 2 different smartphones at a time. Now what I will do, I will just disconnect this one. According to the manual which is mentioned here, if you guys want to read this manual, it's in a Chinese, but on a box it's clearly mentioned that this model comes with the circuit protection built in inside. So if you guys will remove the power bank directly like this, it can charge your smartphones. You can see both the smartphones are charging. You can see the LED indicator here. This is fully charged right now, but at the same time it will protect your smartphone also. So if you just remove the power plug like this, it will not damage your smartphone because it will stop charging first and then it will start the power bank function. So this is the main thing. I really like the concept of this one. It's handy, you can easily put it inside the pocket and you can easily travel with this power bank. And if you want to charge your smartphones anywhere, anytime, you can simply use the power bank function of this one. So if you guys like the video, you can give the thumbs up, and if you want to ask any kind of questions about the video, you can ask in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you think that this video give you some more information, you can share with your friends, those who want to buy this power bank. The link is inside the description available if you want to buy. The cost of this one is only like $30, which is not that much expensive. If you buy in a market, there's a lots of power banks which is like a $50 to $60, but they don't have this kind of function. This is a dual function. One is a power bank, second it's a travel charger, and it already comes with the 2 plug and Type-C cable also. So if you want to charge anything directly with the Type-C, just connect here. If you have a new smartphones which comes with the Type-C connection, you can use with this. Thank you.